Because there's Jeeps this way, or if you have a Jeep, you should go this way.
If you have a Jeep, go this way.
What if we have a Toyota? What if you have a Chevy?
But we got a Chevy.
Here we are at the visitor center. Where are we? We're at Needles Outpost. We're heading down Elephant Hill. We got a broken rig down there. It's blocking the trail at the moment, so we're gonna get down there, get it fixed, hopefully make it drivable, which I'm pretty sure we have the stuff to do. Make it drivable, get it back up here, get it on the trailer, get it back to Moab. So that's a recap of what we're doing. Now we're gonna go do what we just said.
Yeah.
We got Shawn with us on the camera today. So here we go.
Here we go. Way down.
Yeah, 200 and 300 RPMs a couple times on that. And that wasn't even the lowest gear, that was just second gear. Well, we tried.
Maybe on the way up.
Here we are at amateur hour. I guess let's get out and look at it so we can judge it more harshly.
I don't know what's going on here, but something is going on here.
Nobody knows what's going on.
They tried moving it off the road, but it looks like they made it worse. So there's the problem. No steering.
So then, feels like we got two that are broke off in there. So my thought is we thread two in and fix it more better.
More better.
Let's see here. It is definitely of that size.
Not that size. That size. 9 millimeter.
Alright, is that wheel turned?
Yeah.
Alright. Can you turn the wheel? I need the steering wheel to go.
Passenger?
Yes, sir. Can the bottom of the wheel come in? Yeah, a little bit more. Hold up there. Alright, hang on. We're gonna have to. I'm gonna need a hammer.
Hammer time.
The ultimate fix-it tool. We shall solve all problems by hitting it harder. Alrighty. She'll drive out.
Already.
Just because I'm curious. I'm gonna walk back here and see if I can find the broken bolts, as they almost always fail very close to where the tire comes off. Yeah. No, I didn't find any. No, but the worst part is like I said, those two that we threaded in, they're totally clean threads. So that means those two backed out, and then those two were doing the holding and snapped. So, yeah. But I mean, how many miles these things see, and the roads they see. Yeah. Something anybody with Toyota axles, Toyota straight axles, be it the Land Cruisers or the old mini trucks and stuff like that, always check those 4 bolts that hold your onion bearings in.
The onion.
The onion bearings. They're trunnion bearings, but we like calling them onion bearings. That's the most common fail point on any of these, any of the Toyotas, the straight axle Toyotas, is those bolts loosen over time because they hook the steering and everything, so they're seeing forces from the wheel, forces from road impact, stuff like that, and then your steering corrections, everything's forcing it right there. So just something to keep an eye on. And those 2 bolts will be enough to drive it out of here and get it up on the trailer so we can take it back to them and they can fix it. I know the guy that's gonna drive it out, and he's got plenty of road miles out here. He knows what to do. He won't hit too many rocks. Will you?
No, I hope not.
No. I would never. What are you talking about? So, got it all together. Shawn's gonna drive it out. We've got to back up till we can find a place wide enough to turn around. And we're in a national park, so you don't want to just blaze off and turn around anywhere. Find a wide spot and do it where it's an actual spot to turn around. Creek bed right here. Since we're not pulling anything or nothing, we're gonna go ahead and do this traditional way, like you're supposed to. Back up to the next switchback. All right, here we are.
Here we are.
Where are we?
Farmington.
Farmington!
We're Farmington.
Hi.
Hi, say hi.
Hi.
We were parked illegally in front of this fire extinguisher, but we were told to. Fire extinguisher. It puts fires out. Fire extinguisher. Stop arguing with me. Got the wrecker here. Got the buggy here. We've entered them both in, let's see, judging contest for prettiness or whatever, and flex ramp. We've got them both entered, so this is gonna have to be awesome twice.
We're sitting here talking to a bunch of fans and stuff, and Roy looked over and seen this shock was like here.
Yeah, it
Supposed
was
to be here.
right.
So bent the,
Looking at stuff and bouncing
Yeah.
around.
yeah, Rory was looking at stuff. That's how it
If you
was.
look, you're gonna find something wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's just easier if you just don't look. So that will fit.
Is it this way or this way?
Graham's this way.
So this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, Graham, TikTok.
Yeah. YouTube is horizontal.
YouTube, TikTok.
Graham. YouTube, Graham.
Oh, yeah, that'll probably do it. That'll work. Yeah. Save the camera.
Cover the lid.
Yeah. Right in the middle of the show.
Right in the middle of the show.
We're kind of to the side of the show.
Yeah, we're like, yeah, we're right by the side-by-sides, in
We're
fact.
not in the middle of the show. We're to the side of the show.
Yeah, we're like a sideshow.
You might say.
You might say. Look at that. And there it is. She is back in action.
Up ramp. Back on the ground.
There you are.
Oh, Roger, come in.
Roger, Roger.
Over, under.
Over, under, over.
Hello?
Hello. What happened?
Huh?
What are you laughing about?
What?
What'd you do?
I just wiggled the jack and it came out from under instead of releasing. As you know, these things are insanely safe.
Yeah, a video of the picture.
Yeah, it's picture in picture.
Picture in picture.